Hey there, friends. Welcome to Fun Kids World. Look, here comes a shiny white sports car zooming down the road. Vroom vroom. Where is it going? It's heading toward a big pool of red paint. Splash. Wow, the car is all red now. A beautiful red sports car. Red like an apple. Here comes another white sports car. This one is driving super fast toward the blue paint pool. Splash. Oh my goodness. Now it's a bright blue sports car. Blue like the sky. Look, look. Look, a third white car is racing toward the yellow paint. Whoosh, splash, it turned yellow. Yellow like a banana. Yay! Now all three colorful cars are driving together down a rainbow road. The red car, the blue car, and the yellow car. They're heading toward giant paint waterfalls. The red car drives under a purple paint waterfall. Splish splash. Now it's turning purple. Purple like grapes. The blue car zooms under an orange paint waterfall. Whoosh! It's orange now. Orange like a pumpkin. And the yellow car drives under a green paint waterfall. Splash. It's green. Green like a frog. The cars are so happy with their new colors. They honk their horns. Beep beep. Now all the colorful cars are racing toward a magical rainbow tunnel up ahead. What will happen inside? Let's find out. The cars are driving into the rainbow tunnel. Inside, there are swirling colors everywhere. Pink and gold and silver sparkles splash all over the cars. The purple car gets splashed with pink stripes. So pretty. The orange car gets sparkly gold dots all over. Wow. The green car gets silver racing stripes. They look amazing. The cars zoom out the other side of the tunnel. Now it's time for the rainbow car wash. Look at those big spinning brushes. They're all different colors. The first car goes in. The red brushes spin and the blue brushes spin and the yellow brushes swirl around. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Bubbles everywhere. Rainbow bubbles floating up into the sky. The car comes out the other side all shiny and sparkling with rainbow glitter. The second car goes through. Swoosh, swoosh. More colorful bubbles. It comes out covered in beautiful rainbow swirls. The third car zooms through too. Now all three cars are covered in every color of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. They're the most beautiful rainbow sports cars ever. The three rainbow cars drive together in a grand parade. They honk their horns happily. Beep, beep, beep. Confetti falls from the sky in every color. What a colorful day. Can you tell me your favorite color? Great job learning colors today, friends. Thanks for watching Fun Kids World. See you next time. Bye-bye.